Welcome into the channel, everybody. If you guys are new, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications because we do have a lot of good content coming up. I'm gonna do a 3-part series for this, going down to Nebraska, bow hunting turkeys. Hopefully you guys stick around. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content. But without further ado, let's get right into the videos. Week 1, Nebraska. We're hunting turkeys.
Oh my God. Turkeys.
Say it.
Turkeys.
We got a 5-hour drive. We're on the way down. We're gonna go turkey on this weekend. Our annual trip down to Nebraska. We're sleeping in the trailer. We'll see you guys when we get down there.
Never seen that before.
He said them turkeys don't stand a chance.
No, sir.
What'd he say? Who said that?
Say it.
Them turkeys. Them turkeys don't stand a chance.
Well, we have officially made it to turkey camp. We're all exhausted. We think we know where we're going in the morning. We're gonna be sleeping in the trailer. 33 degrees outside, so it's gonna be a little cold. No heated trailer. This is just the decoy trailer. Same one we had last year. Should be comfy and cozy. Welcome to our humble abode. Mattresses in the trailer. This is our setup. You comfortable?
Dude, it's memory foam mattresses in the enclosed trailer. You can't beat it. I'm warm, dude. I got 2 sleeping bags on.
We're snuggling. I'm gonna shut this off. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Few moments later.
Good morning.
Good morning.
For the first morning, me and Derek hunted separately from Chance, Emmy, and Dan. We ended up just sitting in the truck, listening for gobbles, and we did not hear anything on the pieces of permission that we had. So we waited till it was daylight, and then we drove around looking for birds. Ended up capturing some cool footage, which I'll play for you guys right now. So we drove around, saw these turkeys. We're just seeing a bunch of gobblers on pieces that we couldn't hunt. Later on in the day, we ended up trying to do a few stalks, try to get in on some birds that we did have permission to hunt. So eventually we got to the point where we found 2 birds that were in a really good spot to stalk. We ended up making a pretty successful stalk on them, and I'll play that video for you guys right now. So here's what's happening. We got turkeys just down on the other side of this house. We saw them.
Oh, hey, puppy. Hi, little puppy.
We're gonna sneak in this woods and try to beat them into the woods. We gotta get moving here, so I'm gonna make this quick. But we saw turkeys. I didn't get any footage of them when they were sitting there, but they're crossing into the property that we have permission on. And we're gonna try to sneak in and get in front of them. I mean, it's early season. There's a lot of snow on the ground here in Nebraska, and hopefully we can kill some gobblers in the snow. See ya.
Them turkeys don't stand a chance.
Unfortunately, Derek did miss that bird. Pretty cool footage in my opinion. So it was Derek's first time ever shooting at a turkey with his bow, and it just so happened that we didn't really go over the old ground rules of where you should be shooting, and since they were about quarter strut, he ended up shooting a little high thinking the body wasn't actually where the body was. We did talk about it afterwards, and sometimes you miss, but in the end it was a learning experience. We had seen some birds in a spot that we wanted to put a blind in. We ended up setting a blind there, and never really had anything come in, never had anything call back, but we were kind of in the mix of some birds, but nothing came in close enough for us to shoot. Meanwhile, Chance, Emmy, and Dan were hunting a different property, and they ended up having some pretty good action.
Nice shot.
Congrats to Dan on his bird. We ended up not getting a picture of Dan's bird. Rookie mistake on my part. Made a really good shot, and it was his first Nebraska bow hunting turkey. So congrats to Dan. What a weekend. Hopefully you guys can stick around. I hope you like this content. We got a lot of good stuff coming up. I know this video was kind of all over the place. It just was a very hectic weekend. First time I've filmed in a long time. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.